we try to do as much as we can by our president, AM, and Anna and Aika, of course. We all come up with the best marketing plan that we possibly can to help people reach their dreams. There are very few ways to earn good money in this country, as we all know. And we've tried to create a platform for everyone to be able to do that. That walang tao na hindi kayang abutin ang mga pangarap nila. That's our main.
Parang first time na international endorser, ambassador si yung
Yeah.
So ano po yung naging process na nakuha niyo?
Actually, ang aking partner na si Ana ang kailangan tanungin dyan. Bes! Halika muna. Call a friend ako. Halika sandali.
Idea niya.
Ikaw nga. Dali ah.
Pero how was it, ma'am, being an endorser? Pero
Of course,
personally,
it's-
kilala niyo siya.
Yes, this is my partner and my best friend, Ana. Ikaw, Bes, ang mag-describe kung paano natin nakuha si
Bakit siya yung napili niyo?
Oo, at bakit siya yung napili. Sabi ko, kasi siya yung in charge dyan. Kasi Bes yun.
Ano po yung naging process, ma'am?
Hindi, yung process syempre kasi di ba talagang sa ganitong klaseng product, parang pipili ka talaga ng dapat best. So sa mind namin sa I Am Worldwide, si Jungwoo yung talaga yung parang best na napili namin. Hindi lang yung pag nakita mo yung itsura niya, hindi yung lifestyle niya mismo, which is ganun din yung I Am Worldwide, di ba? Hindi lang yung parang sa outside yung kailangan mong alagaan, but also yung inside mo.
So hindi po ba naging mahirap yung pag-invite
Process?
na process?
Siyempre, sa management, siyempre sa kanila, di ba, medyo strict and medyo talagang sobrang discipline talaga sila sa ganyan. Pero, talagang nag-run smoothly lang din naman talaga yung pag-iwanit sa kanila.
Siyempre pinadala niyo siya ng product. Ano po yung isang sa mga nagustuhan niyang product?
Yung Wardy, tsaka siyempre yung Amazing White. Amazing White talaga yung kanyang ano ba.
So more international artists po ba yung nagiging part ng Iron Man?
Depende, no? Depende talaga sa
hoping for
product.
more,
Yes,
yeah.
we're praying for more. But I think that the important thing is even our local endorsers naman are very, very good. You know, we have Piolo, Liza, Art, of
is
course.
also part of I Am Worldwide.
Yes.
And John Lloyd Cruz.
Yes, is for our immunity.
Yeah, immunity.
Yes, so we handpick them very carefully kasi kailangan talaga bagay sila sa product na ilo-launch namin.
And they're also using the product.
Yes, that's the most important. User sila. Kasi marami naman endorser na, di ba, they just endorse but they don't actually use it. It's very important for us in I Am Worldwide to make sure that our endorsers actually appreciate and use the products themselves. Is really what made me better during the time that I had breast cancer. I'm now a 21-year-old breast cancer survivor. So, syempre, yan yung pinaka-original product namin. And I believe that that is really the product that we stand known for in I Am Worldwide. We try to cater to the demands of the public and of course our clientele. If they prefer, if they would like us to bring a new product, then we try to study it. And I'm in our company kasi I'm in charge of bringing ako yung pinaka product development and ako yung nagsusupply ng produkto. So ako yung nag-aaral kung alin talaga yung best product ingredients, and of course since we started off on one of the best in the world, which is our barley, we really make sure that all the other products are able to keep par with our original baby.
Are you a full-time entrepreneur na po ba? Or may
Ay.
bala pa kayong bumalik sa showbiz? Or may mga offer pa ba? Because of your still with Sex and the
Thank you. But no, I'm a full-time mom. I've always been a full-time mom. Even when I was very busy with showbiz, that was really my priority, is raising my children. And of course, I Am Worldwide now is 5 years old. I have my own company, which is now 15 years old, which is the one that partnered with I Am Worldwide. Herb All is actually the main supplier of I Am Worldwide. And so between running the businesses and of course making sure that all our clients, we have I think close to 300,000 members already as of today. So it's very hard kasi you have to answer questions constantly, you know, you have to cater to yung mga inquiries all the time regarding the products. And because I'm the main one in charge of even our mga documents with regard to FDA and mga ganyan, it's really, really very full time. So, siguro, you know, once artista, always artista. Diba? That's what they say. So, and my heart is always for showbiz. I try to help where I can. If there is a particular project that stands out, then of course, why not? Diba? I mean, it would just depend siguro. But it's no longer the priority as it used to be when I was younger.
Sa pagbabalik niyo, ma'am, sino yung mga gusto niyo mga makasama?
Oh my gosh, hindi naman ako picky. Kahit naman sino, ang importante dyan is yung
endorser
project.
na ng ano.
Yung project syempre, diba, in India. You know, I have some directors that, of course, I miss them. And I would love to work with them again, diba? But with regard to actors, kahit naman sino you know, dami ng magagaling na bago na hindi ko na nakatrabaho. So, of course, that would be a great opportunity if the right project comes.
Sila Piolo po.